What does it really mean to be a chef? Is it just about cooking delicious meals, or is there more to it? The term chef is derived from the French word chef de cuisine, which translates to head of the kitchen. This role encompasses much more than just cooking. Chefs are responsible for overseeing all aspects of a restaurant's kitchen operations. This includes menu planning, ingredient sourcing, staff management, and ensuring the highest standards of food quality and presentation. According to a study by the National Restaurant Association, the role of a chef has evolved significantly in recent years. Chefs are now expected to be not only skilled cooks, but also creative innovators and business leaders. So, the next time you dine at a restaurant, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and expertise that goes into the creation of each dish. The true meaning of a chef extends far beyond the kitchen.